Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be talking about and showing you guys how to make YouTube banner. As you know, YouTube banner is a way to promote what your content is going to be about, and sometimes people include the days and time they post their videos into their YouTube banner. This way it's gonna help their audience to know the time and day to expect new videos. So, in this video, we are going to be using Canva. As you know, Canva is a graphic designing software a lot of people out there use to make, let's say, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube intro, outro, and all sorts of things. And you do not have to have the old graphic designing skills to be able to use this app. It is quite easy, and they have editable templates you can pick from. So first and first, head over to Canva. If you do not have the app, you can download it on your phone or your computer, and you can also use the website. So when you get to Canva, search for YouTube banner. Before you even finish typing, as you see, it's already showing. So click on that and you're going to see these loads of pre-made templates where you can choose from. So if you do not want to go through the whole stress, you can just pick out of this template if there is anyone you like. So if you see anyone from these already made templates that you want to use, just click on it, put your own photos, edit your names, edit maybe your topics and every other thing you want to put in your banner. Make sure it is not too jam-packed, right? Little text. So if you do not want to use any of these pre-made templates, just come to this and click on this plus sign, create blank. So click on it, it's going to show you this blank page, and yeah. So the first thing I do is to select the color that I want as the background of my YouTube banner. And after that, I'm going to go in and select the shape that I want. After that, I'm going to select a text box and I'm going to edit the font size, the font color, and effects. After placing your text, select elements, select frames, and upload your photo. So after that, I know you want a little bit of sparkle. So select elements and I want to add subscribe button to it. This one looks fake, so I'm just going to upload my own and replace it with this. So I just uploaded this and look at what it looks like. Adjust the position and make sure it fits where you want it to be. So after that, you can add another text box for you to write your topics and every other thing you need to include in your banner, and that is fine. Now you can also add shapes to make it more beautiful, and that is all. This is what it looks like after downloading it, and there you have it, guys. Make sure you try it out and let me know what you think in the comment section. And until next time, have a great day.